Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the sound amp, for the audio amplifier, if you have one for the sound amplifier on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont guys. Both vehicles, they're the same thing under two different names depending on where they were sold. So not all Dodge Journeys will have sound amp, but some will do. So if you have one guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the amp now. We'll show you how to remove and replace it as well. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop. So let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll go to the passenger side. You will notice that our glove box is missing. Okay, you do not have to remove yours. We did it so we can gain just a little bit more room, so we can get underneath and show you where the fuses are. So if you come on the bottom right here, okay, you'll notice usually you have that cover here, that's your fuse box cover. Pull it out. Okay, now the sound amp fuse guys. Okay, it's fuse number 126. Okay, right here it says amp 1 25 amp fuse. So in the fuse box, okay, you have a fuse puller located right here. I already have this one, and let me show you, okay, where it is located now. Okay, it's the very first row, this fuse guys, right here. This is your amp fuse. So if you want to pull it out, okay, you grab it. Okay, you grab it with the fuse puller. Okay, and just pull it out. Okay, like that. This is your amp fuse. I'll go ahead. Okay, let me go grab a new one. Okay, I have a new one here. And we'll go ahead and install it now. Okay, perfect. Just like that. So that's where your amp fuse is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.